Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Hearts. Welcome back to my 6th and final video of destashing. So I think there's going to be 31 lots. It's a lot, and it still looks like I have 1,000,001 things in here. So what, can you imagine how horrible my craft room was? So let's get into it. This box is number 27 and it's $38. So first of all, I have this kit right here, which is Dream Big. So I've got cardstock stickers, puffy stickers, ephemera, and then I've got the paper, Dream Big paper. So I don't know how many sheets, 8, 10 sheets of it, and it's double-sided, and it's super cute. And that's from Simple Stories. And then I've got this one, which is Once Upon a Prince, Echo Park. Never used, brand new, full kit. Then I've got Bella Boulevard, and this is like, I don't know, a grab bag of paper. So there is just, I think it's a lot of it's patriotic, all American, patriotic. Then it's like wedding, wedding, and then there's so sticker sheets. So this is Bella Boulevard. I don't even know if Bella Boulevard is hella expensive. So this was like some kind of a, like, you know, clearance box or something that I got. And then we have this Create, Don't Be Afraid to Do Something. So this is one that I thought about, like, making my own thing, but I have so much stuff, so I don't need to do that. And then, let's see, we have this Stamp and Die. So this is the new one that came out recently, Storytime Gnomes. And the die from Spellbinders, the Club. And then I have this one right here, which is called Rose Bouquet. So it's the stamp and the stencil. And I also have this stencil and stamp Lighthouse, both from Waffle Flower. And over there, starting to sweat. It's a lot I've got going on. City Girls Book of Life, the Ton. I have these Butterfly from Sizzix dies. I have these Inky Antics stamps, this one and this one. I have this Clear Stamps Avery L. It's the cherries. And this Avery L, which is called Sweet Day. And then I have this, Here Comes the Sun, Echo Park. I have this one right here, which is Polka Doodles. It's this poinsettia. And then I've got this Maya Road album. And let's see. So I've got Hello Sweetums, which no longer is in business. And I've got this cute ghost, this little toast. Then I have this Maker's Movement. It's a little jam, and the little stamp set. It's little dies. And then we have Neat and Tangled. I just have this stamp set, which is this one, Sent with Love, or Little Stinker is what it's called. And then I've got this one, which is called Popping Sentiments. This Neat and Tangled right here. This Avery L called Ellie. Then I've got this, it's like a little orange juice sweet, and the die. I've got this little die. And then here are some ones from Unity, so it kind of tells you what they are. So it's that one, this one. So little sentiments that you can get. And this one, again, is number 27, and it's $38. All right, this one is number 28, and it is $50. This one is a big whammy. So first we have the alcohol inks from Barely Art. It comes in this box. It has blending solution. It has quite a bit of stuff in here for you to be able to use. I have no idea how this all fit in here before. It's like so, anyway, that's fine. Okay, we got that. And then we have these colors, which I don't even think I used any of these. If I did, I probably didn't use any. So to give you an idea, they're pretty full. I I don't think I use any of these. These come in these like forest colors, I guess they're calling it. So I have those. And then I have these alcohol ink applicator felt. I have this alcohol paper ink cardstock gloss. And then I have in here, I have alcohol ink lift off pad, little journal in here. And then there's some mixatives. Tim Holtz mixatives are in here as well. There's a couple of them in here and some alcohol blending solution. And I also have the little blending brush thingy. Okay. Then we have these stamps, like a bunch of arrows. I have these sequins. I have this catchphrases, you know, stamp. I have this one, Dear Lizzie, and the little, it's still sealed. And I have all of these stickles. I don't know, there's a couple like Stampin' Up! And like Recollections, but like 99% of these are all Ranger stickles. And there's even some, what they call glitz ones. There's some distress ones. I didn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There might be 30 to 40 in here. So even at 99 cents each, that would be $40. But these usually sell for like $3 to $4. And they all work. I just have so much. I just kept a few of them. And I did not just keep all of the icicle ones because, or diamond ones, because there's some in there. Because I had a lot of those. I buy those. I use those ones the most. So this is like a lot of stickles in so many colors. And that's why this is $50, because there's just no way you could collect all these stickles. I just happened to buy some sort of a clearance bag that they had of stickles. And so I have a ton. So all of these alcohol inks and these stickles, and that's why it's $50, and because I have to ship it too. So anyway, this is box number 28. It's $50 shipped. So I'm gonna go and put this away and get on to the next box. All right, this is number 29, and it is also $50. So this is what you get. First of all, you get all of these Nuvo glitter pastes. Couple of greens, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's like 14 of them, I guess. 13, 14 of them. 14 maybe. I have never, most of these I've never used. There might be 1 or 2 that have been opened, but for the most part, these are still sealed up. Never used of these Nuvo glitter. They're glimmer paste. Let's see. This one I think I opened. It's still sealed. So this is, I think these sell for $5 or $6 a piece. So you have the whole shebang in here. Then we have this Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz called Mini Motivation that I've never used. So that's part of it. And then I have this paper pumpkin kit that I never used, and it's called Meaningful Flowers. So it comes with all the things to make all the things, a stamp set, and all the things. I've never opened it. And then my distress inks. So I had to kind of decide what I was going to do, and I decided that I have other inks I really love, and I have the distress oxides. And so the distress inks are going to go away in my craft room. So I just never use them. So I'm going to include the tin. This one's kind of dented, but so you get all the colors that you see here, as well as the colors that you see here. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So 22 colors you get. And some of them actually have little foam on the bottom. Not all of them, some of them. So 22 distress inks. I think they sell them for like 4 for $12 or something like that. So this is a pretty good deal. So you get all of these, and then you get all of these miscellaneous dies that I've never ever used. So I have a camera die. I have a whatever this is die. I have this one, which looks like a cookie tray. I have this one, which says treats. This is like a fair one. This is like a birdhouse guy, I guess. This one's like a house. Candy. Halloween. Gingerbread guy. Coffee. Cookies. A cup. It's like a candy jar. This is like a gingerbread house. Teacup. This is a lantern. And this is a barn. So this is number 29 and it's $50. Okay, this is number 30 and it's also $50. So we've got a lot of things. It's a planner one. It has some very rare things in here. So from Scarlet Lime, I've got all of my stamp sets. They don't make these anymore. They can't find them anywhere. So I've got some dots or close to my heart. They're out of business, but I have some vintage stamps, mostly from them. Not necessarily all from them, but quite a bit from them. So this is included in the lot. Alright, this one. Some of them are quite big, actually. All right, is that all of the wood ones? Okay, then we have, this is Paper Tray Ink, Monthly Moments, so it's all that. This is Studio L2E, Planet, Financial Plans, Seasonal Summer, Seasonal Plans, Right Now. Okay, and then we have Gossamer Blue, El Studio, Live Pages. We have these. This Catherine Polar April. We have this one from Close to My Heart. These journaling hearts and whatever. Like, I've been doing this all day. This is just like a place that you could put your little cards from the Scarlet Lime. So let me go into Scarlet Lime stamps. So I have this one. I have some of her tabs. I have this stamp set. This one, the Planner Society. I have all of these very rare stamp sets from her because, yeah, you can't get these anymore. I have this one, which is like a stencil. I just got rid of all of it. Look how many I had. This is a stencil. This one. That one. This. It's all Planner Society. I don't see any more Planner Society. This one is Planner Society and Planner Society. We'll take that already into these. And then she had, I don't know if this one was her or not, but I know this one might have been. I can't remember if this one was hers or not. Let's see, do I have everything? Okay. Then I have like this stamp set, and then I have a bunch of these ones that have like dates. And they have little sayings, and I just have a ton of these. So, all of that. These, Oh, I have one more for this little girl. Okay, I have this one, which is vintage ephemera book. So, this. And then I have, I think this is, God, I can't remember the name of the company. Oh, Foxy Fix. It does have my initials. But Foxy Fix is no longer in business, but it comes with all of these. All of these that have never been used. I believe this is all Yellow Paper House. And then all these Kelly Creates. There's a sticker, Kelly Creates. All right, so this one is $50 and it's number 30. All right, this is from Saw Crafters, who's no longer in business. This one's $50. This is like probably $300 worth of stuff. Because she used to sell these for like 50 bucks for some of her things, her MDF like wood things that you can put together. And so she had cleared these out, and I think my box was still almost $100. But anyway, selling. This makes a wood chest of drawers, and what you do is you basically paint these and then you use glue to put them together. I've made a few of these things. There's probably YouTube videos on how to make some of these. You probably can figure them out. They're not too hard. Like I said, I've done a bunch. So there's that one. And then we have this Christmas tree. And then we have this one, which I think is some sort of display. This is a teacup. These are teacups. This is like, this one says I don't know, a dresser with drawers, I think, something like that. This is a house, number 1. House. This makes a lantern. This one makes a telephone booth. You can kind of see. This makes a fence and a fence. This is like a little display thing. These are little tags, or not really tags, but I guess they could be tags. Little sayings here. Gate, clock. So all of this, $50. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Credit the Heart. If you're interested in any of these items, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com.